Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and it feels so good to turn on my camera as soon as I wake up. I love days like these when I start my vlogs nice and early in the morning. But hi! So on the agenda today, I'm gonna be making some chocolate covered biscuits. So I just thought that would be a fun little thing to vlog. Before we go any further, I wanted to show you this quick video from GoBiz Korea. They're having another exhibition for 2021 and this one is gonna be online. So you guys can check it out from your house. I know a lot of you guys like Korean exhibitions just like I do. I'm always going to them. So I really recommend you guys check out the expo. You're gonna learn a lot.
Welcome to the GoBiz Korea Online Exhibition 2021 for Korean SMEs.
All right, let's go ahead and make our Pepero. I'm so excited to do this little activity. I don't know what it is, but I've actually really enjoyed the change of seasons a lot more this fall. How do you guys feel? I don't know what it is, what's different this year. Well, there's a lot of things that are different in my life this fall. But I've been having a really good time. I think for me, I recognized fall for a week and now I'm in winter mode. Seriously, you guys, like this is so weird. I've been listening to the Nutcracker playlist non-stop, like in my headphones when I'm cleaning, when I'm out, like on the subway. I just listen to the Nutcracker. It's getting me in the holiday mood. I'm looking right now, I got two little decorations from Daiso yesterday that are very cute, very chic. I'm going to show you guys those. Can you see how happy I am? So I got a lot of stuff last night and I'm going to just whip it all together in my kitchen and I'm gonna like put it all in a big box. I'm going to a dinner tonight with my boyfriend and some of our friends, so I'm just gonna share it with everyone there. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how these turn out. I don't have super high hopes because I've never done this before. But you know what? I thought it would be fun for the vlog. And I really encourage you to make Pepero and give it to someone and teach them what is this holiday. Look at how cute these are. Adorable. For this, I just attached it to my little curtain ties. So I got this one. Right, Cleo? Cleo, are you sleeping? You got clothes too, right? You've been getting a lot of winter clothes. Say hello, everyone. I also got this one. How cute is this little reindeer? I love having just like cute, simple decorations like these that don't take up a lot of storage. I'm not gonna be getting a tree this year because it's just too much storage. So I'm just gonna add a couple things around my house like this. Oh, can you say hello, everyone? I really appreciate you guys that comment about Cleo asking where she is whenever she's not in a vlog. She just sleeps a lot in my house, right? And we try to play a lot too and go on walks, but you're like sunbathing in your sun. Hi guys, happy Pepero Day! Came here for all of these little toppings. It's so convenient.
네, 그럼 이걸로 할게요.
Alright, it looks like Daiso has a fresh new stock of a lot of pet stuff. Perfect for winter. I'm going to shuffle through all of these. I picked up one of these for Cleo. She already has a blue one, but I want to see some pink on her. And they also have a ton of beds. All right, so it is the morning of November 11, and I'm gonna go ahead and make my pepero. This is the first time I've made it, so I'm not expecting it to come out great. I'm just gonna show you guys all the little accessories I have. You could do this really basic, but I kind of went overboard. So I just bought some of the long pepero sticks. Like, these are biscuit sticks. I have a couple kinds of dipping chocolate. I have stuff to top it with. So I have the roasted brown rice, like little rice puffs. And then I have cookie crunch and almond. And then I have some deco stuff. I don't know why I bought this because I already had these deco pens, but I guess I can do more crafts later. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start off melting the milk chocolate. And then second, we'll do the white chocolate. Comment below, have you guys ever done anything like this? Last winter, my boyfriend and I would always make chocolate dipped strawberries. So I'm familiar with the dipping process, but I haven't done sticks. So we'll see how this goes. So now I'm gonna use these deco pens and just try and decorate a couple of these. I don't really know how this is gonna go. It's like not easy. Terrible. This is not how I planned these to look, but whatever. Oh my god, this is so terrible. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go like this. Ew! Alright, it's time to box these guys up. I cannot believe I have not fallen into temptation. I did not eat a single one. I've been snacking on some other chocolate that I got from Costco. But if I didn't have that chocolate, there's no way I would be able to resist myself. So I got this box from Art Box. As you guys saw, we went there last night and they just had so much cute stuff. And it was so busy. It was cute how everyone was looking for their Pepero. So I need to figure out a way to get all of this inside. Are these gonna fit? Oh yes, they do. And I really like how these ones turned out. How adorable. These are so easy to make. I also feel like this would be a really good holiday gift. Like if you're trying to just give cheap gifts this year, cheap but delicious stuff, like homemade stuff like this. Okay, I'm just taking some wax paper and I'm just gonna line the inside of this box. All right, I got them in. I did have to take one out, so I'm gonna eat this. Mmm, yummy.